Hey, are you worried about missing out on free Megascan assets before they become paid? I'll show you how to claim the assets in this video. So let's not waste any time and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start out with, I'm going to show you how to do this inside of the Unreal Engine editor. All I have here is just a fresh project. I'm going to go right here to where the quick add to projects. I'm going to go to the Quixel Megascan bridge. And then right here, you're going to get this pop-up. And then now, I'm going to show you the easiest and the quickest way to do this. Okay, so to start out with, you're going to want to grab it by collection. Oh, also make sure you're signed in. Okay, so I'm already signed in. So right here, if you look here under collections, it's very simple. All it is if you look at all these pictures, these are all filters, basically. Okay, and what we can do is we can go right over to collections, go to environments, right? So say for instance, I want to get everything inside the environments collection. So it's got 4 collections. And then what I would do is I would download all these. Now you see here, I have a green check mark. Now these are assets I've already downloaded, or they download, but they're also claimed. So now I'm going to show you something else here. So we're going to go from the environment to natural, which is this. Keep in mind, these pictures are just filters. So we click on natural, right? And then under natural, we have a collection of 28 collections, which is all these are here on the left. Now, if we scroll down, now I could sit there, we can look at all these, and we could sit here and click through each and every one of these, or we can grab the assets by the filter. So for instance, I've been eyeballing this burnt forest for a while. So I'm going to click on it. So now you can see here, I've got the burnt forest here, and then there's this little green down arrow, right? And you can see I've gotten some of these in the past. So these are all claimed. So all you have to do is click on the arrow here and then just let it download. And you just go ahead and you click through the whole collection like so. And if you click on it, it'll open up like the description here, but we're going to get back to that. Let's go ahead and continue to collect all of our assets. And done. So now, as you can see here, I've got all these assets sitting up here downloading. Now this is something you could just do and let it go to bed and then let it download. And what will happen is even if you delete this project and reopen a new project, you'll have all these assets available. So as you can see, I have a fresh new project here. So I'm going to show you right here. Well, if you go into historic, I'm going to show you where I actually downloaded the actual. So I got the medieval banquet here. So remember, like I said, these are all filters. So I'm going to click on the medieval banquet, which is the same thing as here. And you can tell that I've got all these. Now, I didn't download these just now. These were from when I previously downloaded them. And I liked it because I like the little banquet food. So my suggestion is if you're going to collect your assets, make sure you do it with, the collections tab here. And then make sure you just click on the little, with the down arrows and then the check. So what should happen is even when we switch over to the Fab Store, you should be able to actually get both versions or multiple versions of the quality of the asset because you have this asset adapted to your Unreal Engine account. So this is what I would suggest that you guys do. Try to get more assets because it's going to help you in the future. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And I want to, as always, thank you again for watching my video. And please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.